Today I have a Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to use the automatic start on this Chrysler Pacifica. All right, so I have the Chrysler Pacifica key fob right here, and I'm going to do the automatic start. So I'm going to make sure the vehicle is locked. Now, typically you'll do this while you're outside of the vehicle because the vehicle's not actually in a position to where you can actually drive off with it. It just turns on the function so you can like heat or cool your vehicle before you get into it. So say for instance I'm inside of my home and I want an automatic start. So I'm inside of my home, the vehicle's locked. I'll come up and I'll see this button right here. It says ×2. This ×2 is representative for automatic start. What I'll have to do is press it twice. But on the second press, I'm going to hold down POP. I'm going to hold down this button in order for the vehicle to start. Now watch me do it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press this twice. 1, 2. Hold it down POP for a few seconds. And then I release it. And the vehicle is on automatic start. The air condition is blowing right now. Everything is good, right? But when I get in my vehicle, I'm going to have to go ahead and start the engine like I normally do, which is putting my foot on the brake and then pressing the start engine button. All right. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.